Yeah, they really smell. So I posted that video of like friending me.
Yes, so I'll be made down to my table again. Yes, may I just film this video? In fact, this shirt be like I don't use and film a lot of video. Me na manager. Now yesterday when I cheat me, na cause am. I'll be made down to my table again. It's a lady chat her up for Instagram. No be Instagram, they call her Instagram. Say the person say, may she bring that video down. Let's hear from her. If Naija Daughter does still dey lie. You know, say for me, I dey like to play their voice notes so that when time reach, I know when they go say, na lie, Naija Daughter lie. They go see say, I no lie. Now wetin they talk. Now I use against them.
Yeah, they smell. When they say yeah, they smell. Yeah, they really smell. So I posted that video of like friending me, exposing my friend in me, And this lady that messaged me on Instagram. Of course, we are not our friends. We don't follow each other. So it's the message came in as I have to like accept the message first. You know, I usually look at the messages I want to accept first. Not all messages I accept, right? If I have the chance to like go through my messages, I will see the ones that I want to accept, and I will see the one that I'll just delete and just move on. So the message came in as immediately I posted that video. The message came in as requested video. Yeah, sorry, requested video. Sorry, requested message. What's hubby? Requested message on Instagram. I don't know if I said Facebook, but it's Instagram, not Facebook. So saying that I would suggest you put down the video that you made immediately. So I tried to click on this person's name. She only has like 5 followers, and she's following like 18 people. So I know for sure it's a fake account. I don't even have time for you, to be honest. You cannot tell another one. You cannot tell me to take down my video for waiting. Anyway, I just want to say thank you so much, you guys, for the video.
My people, for that person, for me, or maybe not the woman when she get her naked picture, because they know their self. First of all, she said the person not get too much follower. You know, the person not get too much follower on a fake account. Maybe that lady, she wash her. You know, if you tell me say this lady not they wash Abiandfamily for you for Canada. This lady, if they watch Abiandfamily, go they follow them back to back. Go they see the new update about waiting Abi, because she knows say Abi na social media person. I bet. Let me know in the comment section. If not lie, they lie. For me, I think say now the lady person or the lady herself. Now she go write that message. If anybody even write Abiandfamily message, I believe that the lady write Abiandfamily say that video bring am down. That video bring am down. Or X or X, when I will start my own, nobody will feel hold me for this social media platform. Wahala. Hey, now who they drag this my Abi family? Ha! Hey, shake your body. And my sister Abiandfamily. This word that can't just bright. Just now when I start just now, the word are not bright. My Abiandfamily, for me, I'm not telling you bring the video down. The message when me send for you, maybe now people when you react, maybe nobody send you message, maybe na reactor. When they tell you say that video for me and for like, maybe you bring am down. I believe now you for pick. Or if anybody even write you, I believe now your co-wife, now she writes you. Now she write to say, Abi, bring that video down. Or X. May we really see whether may Abi bring that video down. For me, if her husband not see her in bad side, who be we to tell her to bring the video down? She there with man for house now. She shared her husband for that video. She shared her husband. She shared her husband. She let us to they see her husband in different, now man, let's not fit talk deep. Maybe they see her in different corner. Don't fit talk. If you never watch that my video, I feel link to you. Maybe you watch her for up. As far as her husband love the shade, nowadays when it's money speak under my I don't talk and say money is not everything. In my side, a lot of things, money is not everything. But sometimes money good to beautify you, to do the worldly things. But sometimes money not be everything. Let tell ourselves the truth. But maybe her husband see the money when they come out from the China. You know if you tell her wife, what she want to? Yes, let tell ourselves the truth. As far as her husband not tell her say, Abi, bring that video down. Who be me and you to tell Abi to bring her video down? We dey learn now. Let's call a space a space. We are learning. Yes, we dey learn. Only thing I tell Abi say that woman naked video, make she delete am. Maybe na me now she dey with the talk now say make she bring am down. No be bring it down, I telling you. I tell you say the video you no get right to hold your fellow woman being, your fellow woman kpekus for your phone. Na that one I tell you. Another one I say delete, bring him down. And not tell me you bring your video down. You have right to hold your video. As far as say your husband when you shade for your video. And this lady will not know her. Now she know you. She they see us. Maybe as we they react to it now. She feel they see us, but we don't know her. Till the day when you go bring that naked picture, now we will know her. Maybe we not even know her. Maybe we not even still know her. We not tell you when you bring video down. For me, message of my video when I send you, I tell you say delete that lady naked picture. Now your husband now need her. If your husband don't need her, as I first talk, a woman travel all the way from wait till they call her London twice, and your husband open door for her. Your husband a sharp guy. When you know what he wants, and you now you can't sharp. You can't quick bring it 2 children enter abroad. Who you know? Who that will push sugar for his mouth? You go say toa na bitter leaf. Now your husband collect the sugar and grab you. Not be saying that you do pass, so not be saying that you fine pass. Okay, you be fine lady, but for me, for you to dey shade your fellow lady, I do live stream about that. I don't mention your name. I say it's good when you see your husband they follow side chick. It's good as a woman you will fight your husband, you'll fight your fellow woman, or let your husband come house. Immediately, if you ask your husband, I receive a lot of comments. Some people say they go fight, but majority win the vote. They say, why I go fight? Why you go fight your fellow woman? You're not supposed to fight your fellow woman. If your husband not toast you, if my guy not toast me, I not blessing me with Wode. If my guy not see me, say, hey girl, I not let you go. Hey, I not let you go. I not be now because my guy be social media player. For say me we talk, I will say meet. I not believe say we're there here today. I not believe say we'll get children together. I not believe say we'll stay they live. We don't date together over 10 years now. Now man they see woman go approach woman go download down. Woman when you see say woman they toast down, you know say that woman whether it get agenda, it get mission, whether it get something. Responsible woman now man they toast down. Any woman when it toast you, put your 2 shoes, whether they come by you, whether they come scatter your life, a lot of things they happen. Now it make me tell you say my sister, don't fight your woman. If man, responsible man, woman they throw body for right now, see ya. He go throw away face because he knows say na distraction and na destroyer na it be. That lady when they UK, if na she rewrite to you and she knows say you shade her, he ask you to bring that video. She get right also because you shade her there. Now your husband toast and say she na Muslim according to na culture. He have right to marry many wives. You don't know what your husband they tell her. In fact, you don't know what your husband they tell her. You tell your husband delete that video. Your husband not agree delete her. From you, you supposed to know say your husband still get love for that lady. Not be that one I can't talk. I can't tell you now. Say our sister Abiandfamily say somebody write her for IG, for Instagram. Say make she delete that video when she make. For me, if you not be the woman when she shade, you not be any member of her family. For me, you not get right to tell her. Let her be. I thought her husband like that shade. Money dollar it show and leave her. But if now the woman write you, she tell you say make you bring her down. If the woman she knows say her hand and figure clean. She fit open her channel to tag you, talk her own. People go see her own version. If that lady open channel and talk about your husband, I not believe say, I swallow my speech. Now no say we dey Africa cycle. You get what you go talk now. They go say, I get, I get for us, and I get father as a man. When me so rest in peace. I respect my dad. They not dare you talk back to my dad. But you know me say, as I don't be adult now, adult man, they mezebu, may person not tell them. But the society when we they see ourselves, when man do something, you want to try talk or correct, and they go to say, you they insult person husband, they insult person husband. That make me not read that load this one. No. That make me not I be husband supposed to collect with small no. Because how you get woman, naked picture, the entire phone go to they say may you delete and you say you know delete and at the end go they tell Abby another different version say, he's slowly. He's so lowly. He's so lowly. Me I not go that side. Me I not go there. I beg. Go they tell your wife another version. If that lady now come outside, in fact, will sweep you over this street. Oh, that might say we get husband, father for us. My people. Now Abby say bring the matter come outside. Now I can't tell him I say. Abby say somebody tell her say for Instagram say make she bring her this thing down. I not say make you bring her down. I hope you don't delete the naked photo, picture of that lady. If you not delete them, remember, I say you na woman. Remember. If anything happen to that woman, and they can say na hypertension or high blood pressure because of her naked, then are you my lady? If you they watch me, you send your naked picture. All the day, no be now when we see say anywhere now, everybody want build their platform with social media. My boyfriend say me I send now. Be very careful. If na before, Jomofu, not concern me. But now, last 2 years, if you send your naked picture, for you. Not try am. People are there to use your naked picture against you to build their platform. Be very, very careful. Be very careful. And this one I get to talk. If you see this my video, my beautiful sister when in the UK, I not blame you for anything. The man never marry. Not there with Abby, not there with any woman. If they friend Abby, they friend you. Then if they toast both of you, if they friend both of you, you decide to send your naked picture because of distance. You don't know what see they tell. We don't know what see they tell you did the same man. Oh, and now only Abby over here now. Abby come paint her own. Abby come paint her own. I say, now she the man put for the front. We hear on the last day. On the last day, we go hear from this our sister. She go come out to talk. My people, I just say me I tell you, I just use Abby. No matter, no talk. Just a rant. At least I don't film about 4 videos a day here. So, now to sit down and the editor. Maybe that this Abby I will publish. I will publish on this video. Let's see. Let go down the family reggae.
You go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I think